Today, we're gonna do an exercise routine that only requires 2 dumbbells. Cue the intro. Hey, what's going on, family? It's Brother Andrew, back again with another video. And today, we're gonna do a quick workout, and the only thing that's gonna be required today are 2 dumbbells. And for the weights, I recommend, you adjust towards your fitness level. So for me, personally, I'm gonna be using 35-pound dumbbells, and that's for someone who's pretty strong, pretty experienced, and is comfortable with, exercising and doing these type of movements. But a couple of suggestions I would give is for a young lady who maybe not as in shape as she want to be and not really used to working out, and you're just trying to get in the routine of working out. I suggest starting with 2 5-pound dumbbells, and that'll be great for you to work out. That's like the baseline, bare minimum I say people start with. If you're just a bare bones beginner, just start with 2 5-pound dumbbells and then adjust according to your level of fitness and what you're comfortable with. So for most males, I suggest 2 15s will be great for you, but I'm gonna demonstrate with a pretty heavy weight. That way I can get a good workout, and I'm using 35-pound dumbbells, so you can see that the workouts are for all types of people, and you can just adjust it by adding more weight, and it'll really increase the difficulty of the exercises when you add that extra weight. So we're gonna get right into the exercise routine right now. The first exercise we're gonna start with is gonna be squats into overhead press using the dumbbells. And we're gonna start off with 20 of these. Let's go. All right, family, the next exercise we're gonna perform in this workout routine are called gorilla rolls. All right, family, for gorilla rolls, we're gonna start with our feet a little wider than shoulder width apart. We're gonna get a bend in our knees, and we're gonna bend over at the waist, not arching our back. We're gonna keep a straight back. We're gonna bend over at the hips, get a slight bend in our knees, and we're gonna bend over and grab the dumbbells. And then we're gonna alternate raising each dumbbell, doing a row with each arm. And we're gonna perform this 30 times. That's 15 each arm. All right, let's get it. Whew. Those right there are very good for getting rid of those, that flab in the back of them bras, or to just tone up and give you them wide lats on the males. So that's a good exercise targeting your back. All right, fam. The next exercise we're gonna get into are squats into a curl. So we're gonna curl on the way down as we squat, and on the way up, we're gonna let down. Let's go. Feet, you want about shoulder, like not as wide as shoulder width, but because you want your dumbbells to be able to come down and hang right by your legs. All right, let's go. Some of these movements, you have to get used to them. You have to do them multiple times before you feel comfortable. Just keep pushing. The more you do it, the better you'll get. The next exercise we're going to perform does not require the dumbbells. And this is going to target your core, your abdominals. Really good exercise to get tight. We're going to gotta get a full body workout today. Let's go. What you're gonna do, gonna sit down. We're gonna raise our feet up about 6 to 10 inches off the ground. And then we're gonna raise our arms up, forming a V. And we're gonna hold that. All right, let's go. Those V6 are very good at working your midsection and getting tight abs. The next exercise we're going to perform today are sumo squats while holding dumbbell. So for a sumo squat, you want to get your feet wider than shoulder width apart, and you're going to hold the top of one of the dumbbells, and you're going to do a squat. You're not going to want to bend your back. You're not going to want to arch your back. You're gonna wanna sit down. So imagine if you were sitting on the edge of a chair. That's what you wanna do. You wanna drop your pelvis back and down. A lot of people like to just sit straight down, and you bring your knees too far forward over your feet, and you're unbalanced, and it put a lot of pressure on your knees. So for these, you want to really keep your back straight, upright. You wanna lean forward a little bit, but you wanna keep your back as straight as possible. And you want to you really want to drop your butt down like that. All right, so we're going to perform 25 of these, and we're going to do them at a nice brisk pace. Let's go. Two. Come here, Q. Come here. Q. Come over here. This way. Hustle up. Come on. What's wrong with you? You hit your head? So you just hit your head by mistake, right? Sometimes you're gonna hit your head and you're gonna fall, all right? You gotta tough it up and keep playing, all right? Does it hurt real bad? Let me rub on. Where it hurt at? All right, bring your head over here. Come on, turn your head. You gonna be straight, you ain't got no knot on. Hey, come here. Tough it up, wipe your tears. You all right? Go, you having fun over there? You wasn't having fun?
No.
You wanna come over here with me?
No, my head hurts.
What you hit it on? On the pole? You sound like you gonna be straight though. If you wanna keep crying, you can come over here and cry with me. And you wanna keep playing? All right, go have fun. Well, this thing really followed me all the way over there. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah. All right, family. The next exercise we're gonna perform in this workout circuit are plank rows. So we're gonna plank, holding the 2 dumbbells, and we're gonna alternate rowing each arm. And we're gonna perform 20 of these, that'll be 10 each arm. And what's key when you do these is having good form during the plank. You don't want your butt to sag down, and you don't want to be arched up in the air. You want to keep a straight, slim line, and you're gonna get a good row. This is gonna be good for your core, and it's also gonna target your back. So let's begin. You're gonna want the dumbbells right at the width of your shoulders. Woo! Those are pretty tough, but they're very effective. All right, the next exercise we're gonna perform are dumbbell presses on a flat surface. So we're not gonna be able to go as deep like we would on a traditional flat bench, but it's still effective nonetheless in developing triceps and a nice chest. So, like I said, we're gonna lay flat on the ground. And we're gonna dumbbell press the 2 dumbbells. Just like this. We're gonna go for 20. 2, make sure you're squeezing at the top. 3, 4. All right, family, that wraps up this workout session. And this was a very good, effective workout session that targets your entire body. And I recommend doing all these exercises with minimum breaks in between, and perform this whole workout routine 2 times. So everything I just did, you would just repeat that one more time for my advanced fitness person. You will repeat that 2 or 3 times depending on your fitness level. But I suggest everybody give it a shot and try it at least once. Go through the routine once, and if you feel like you can go for another round, that's what you do. Always push yourself, strive to be better, strive to improve yourself. If you feel like you got any value from this video, hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Brother Andrew,